Hey guys, I'm putting up a sprocket in my house and I've got it all laid out. I used masking tape on the wall to get my locations for side to side with the other bracket that's to the right of this one, and all the holes, horizontal and vertical masking tape. And then when I'm done, I just pull it off once I've got them all located. But what I thought I'd do is just do a simple video to show you how I use soap to lubricate the screw going. Now this is a leg screw and I have the proper pilot hole already in the wall through the drywall and into the stud, and I'll show you what I use to help lubricate the leg or any screw so that you don't snap it off, and once you have the proper pilot hole, you should always do this. So here it is guys, just bar of soap, and it's real simple. Here's the leg screw I'm going to be using, and you can use up the soap till it gets smaller. I used to use beeswax, I still have it, but this is so much easier and not as sticky as beeswax. Or you could use like a wax ring from a toilet, the wax ring for a toilet stool. But all you do is just put it on like this, and just make sure that it covers the threads as you see here. And so now I'm going to drive this in, not all the way, but most of the way, and then I'll tweak it later once I get this leveled vertically. So there you go guys, just a quick tip. I've been doing this for years. Works great, and it's a cheap way to do it.